everybody, it's Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. Voice commands can help assist with many functions within the car, including those for entertainment, communication, navigation, climate control, and even some car settings. So let's begin by looking at all the necessary setup to get this going. Hey BMW, take me to Coastal Grand Mall.
Which one of these destinations should I select?
Number 1.
Perfect. Our next destination is Coastal Grand Mall East.
Hey BMW, call Nelson Watkins.
I'm calling Nelson Watkins, but the number designated is other.
Hey BMW, I feel warm.
The temperature is already set at 60 degrees Fahrenheit, but I will activate the seat ventilation as well.
Hey BMW, set the driver's seat massager to level 2.
I'm setting the massage on the driver's seat at level 2.
Hey BMW, I need to hear more bass.
Sound setting.
Hey BMW, set my home address.
Please state the desired address, for example 300 Chestnut Ridge Road in Woodcliff Lake, New Jersey.
Maplewood Drive, Dover, Pennsylvania.
Great, I've saved the home address.
Hey BMW, what's the weather like today?
Today it will be cloudy in Myrtle Beach with a low of 72 and a high of 82 degrees.
Hey BMW, I'm feeling tired.
I have activated the Vitality program.
Hey BMW, I'm bored.
I can't imagine that it's boring. Maybe you haven't had a chance yet to try out sport mode?
Hey BMW, how's my tire pressure?
The current tire pressure is okay in all tires. Do you also want some information about the tire temperature?
Sure.
The front left and front right tire temperatures are 91 degrees Fahrenheit and 91 degrees Fahrenheit. The rear left and rear right are 91 degrees Fahrenheit and 91 degrees Fahrenheit.
So have some fun with those voice commands. From a safety standpoint, it'll help keep your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road. I'd love to hear some of your favorite commands. Why don't you go ahead and post them in the comments section down below. And as always, we'd love to see you here at your local BMW dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.